Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a public Snapchat story. So watch this video till the end. Your public story is a collection of your snaps that play in the order you created them. Your friends, subscribers, and also non-subscribers can view your story for 24 hours. It is quite simple and easy to make a public Snapchat story. All you need to do is change the story settings from friends to everyone. In my previous video, I have already explained how to make your Snapchat story viewable by everyone. If you haven't watched it yet, firstly do watch that video, and once you have changed the privacy settings, you're all set to make a public Snapchat story. First, open the Snapchat app. Take or select a snap. You can take an image or video using the snap camera or select one from memories. Here I'm going to select a photo from memories. For that, simply swipe up on the camera screen. Then press on the image or video you want to share. And tap on the right arrow in the bottom right corner. Now tap on My Story and tap on the right arrow to send your story. And you are done. This story can be viewed by anyone on Snapchat regardless of if they are your friends or not. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.